Hey, how's it going? It's Mr. Peace here. Just got done speaking at the Dearborn Academy here in Dearborn, Michigan. And standing outside one of their bulletin boards here at the school, a big part of today's message about diversity, kindness, and leadership for all the grades K through 8 dealt with this idea that we have the power to change the world with our own two hands, but more importantly with our words and with our actions. We always talk about how we all have the letter M on all of our palms for miracle. That's what the M stands for with the lines on our hand. And to know that we are miracles, but also help other people see that they're that as well. The quote that we talked about from Mahatma Gandhi was not just be the change that you want to see for this world, but that you must be the change. That it's really a calling, and it's an obligation, and it's an opportunity for all of us to show love, kindness, and peace. And like the board says too, to be an upstander, to be a buddy, not a bully, and just to really choose love over hate and hope over fear. Thanks for touching my heart. Hope to see you guys soon. Peace.